students, today we're going to talk about a number line. Here's our open number line, and we're going to talk about how the numbers go on a number line. It could be greatest, or it could be greatest from least, so that means largest to smallest, or it could be, most of the time it's going to be least to greatest, which means it's the smallest to the biggest. So today you're going to look at some numbers, and we're going to try to put them on this open number line. So when we look at each number, you want to keep in mind your 100, tens, and ones. So you always want to look at your 100, tens, and ones place value. So when I look at that, I always think about 100, tens, ones. Sorry. 100, tens, and ones. So anytime that you look at a number, you should say, does it have, how many hundreds does it have, how many tens does it have, and how many ones does it have? So let's look at this number right here. We have 103. You have 100, 0 tens, and 3 ones. So we put that over here for right now. Now let's see where it would go on the number line. We're going to try to make our number line least to greatest, so smallest to biggest. Let's look at the next number. We have 114. We have 100, 110, and 4 ones. Do we have to, when we look at our number line, where would that go? Would that go before or after 103? Before is always in front, and after is behind 103. This number, which one is least and which one is greatest? So 103 is smaller. It has the same amount of hundreds. They both have 100s. They have 0 tens. This one has 1 10. So if it has more tens, this is going to be a larger number. So we're going to put that a little bit farther away from the 103. It's going to be greater than 103. All right, now we have 113. When we look at that, it has 100, 110, and 3 ones. So we'll look at this number carefully. Where would this number go? It looks like both has 100, this one has 100, and this one has 100. So they all have 100 place value, and they only have 100 for each of these. This one, they have 0 tens, so we know that one's still least, that one's still smaller, so we're going to leave it over here. This one has 110, and this one has 110 also. So these both have 100 and 110, so we're going to leave those there. But then you still have 3 and you have 4. So look at our ones place value is what's going to change. So we have 1 3 and 1 4. We know 113 is smaller than 114. So that's going to come before 114. So still 114 is the largest amount. It's the greatest amount. Okay, then we have this number, which is 41. And when I look at 41, how many hundreds do I have? Oh, I don't have any hundreds. I have 4 tens, and I have 1 1. So 41 is going to be smaller. So when I look at these numbers, it's going to be in the least. So this one has to come, since our number line is least to greatest, is going to come in front of 104. And if our number line was, if we were doing it accurately, our number line, our 141 would be all the way over here. But since we don't have to worry about the spacing as much, we'll keep it right here. We'll just think about 41. And 41, if it was really 41, there'd be 60 numbers in between this number, so it would be all the way over here. Okay, let's do our last number, which is number 13. Again, we have to look at this number and think how many 100, tens, and ones. Doesn't have any hundreds, and you have 1 10 and 3 ones. So 13, when I look at it, is going to go, has no hundreds. These numbers all have 100s. 114, 113, 103 all have 100s. So this one's definitely going to go before that. And so then we look at the numbers that do have tens and ones. We have 13 and 41. 13, you can see that we look at just the tens place value, which is 1 and 13 and 4 and 41. And I can tell you that 1 is definitely smaller than 4. So this one has least amount, so we're going to keep going all the way over here on our number line. It would actually probably be all the way at the end of the desk over here because there's 30 numbers in between these numbers. So our numbers are going least to greatest. These don't have any hundreds, so they're smaller. So it would be 13, 41, 103, 113, and 114 would be on our number line. And if I put this on the number line correctly, it would definitely be like this. I would have to spread them out. And since this is an accurate number, but this is how it would actually look on our number line if I put those in number order. And that's what you're going to do today in math. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope to talk to you guys later. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.